Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne Jeune Mieux-être. Aujourd'hui, j'avais envie de faire une petite méditation avec vous. Alors, le livre est en anglais, donc là, je vais déjà la lire en anglais, pardon pour l'accent, et après, je ferai peut-être une traduction, au moins, ça nous fait pratiquer l'anglais. Donc, le titre, c'est Turning into New Potentials Meditation. To New Potentials. Alors, on prend une grande inspiration et on souffle. Start by resting your attention in different parts of your body as well as the space around those parts of your body. You will learn more about doing this and why it's important in the next chapter, but for now, it's enough to know that focusing on the space around your body helps you change your brain waves, moving you from an incoherent beta brainwave pattern to a coherent alpha and theta brain wave pattern. Become aware of the infinite, vast space way out behind your eyes in this eternal black space. The space in the center of your head. The space between the back of your throat and the back of your head. And then beyond your head in space. Then, moving to becoming aware of the space in the center of your throat, the space beyond your throat and around your neck, the space in the center of your chest, the space around your body, the space behind your navel, and finally the space around your hips in this endless black void. With each of these, take your time and feel it. Become aware of it and stay present with it. Become aware of the vastness of space that the room you're in occupies in space. And then extend your awareness to the vastness of space beyond the room in space, and finally to the vastness of space that all of space occupies in space. Now it's time to take your attention off your body, the environment and time, and to become nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere, in no time. To become pure consciousness, to unfold as an awareness into this infinite black space, an endless field where all possibilities exist. If you get distracted, simply return to the present moment, as we discussed in the previous chapter. Keep unfolding into this immaterial space by continuously reinvesting your attention into it. Think about the potential that already exists in the quantum field that you want to tune in to by remembering your letter. Sense the energy of that future potential within you and all around you, and tune in to your future. When you do this, you will be moving into a new state of being, broadcasting a whole new electromagnetic signature into the field. When there is a vibrational match between your energy and that potential, the new event is going to find you. You don't have to make anything happen. I want to be clear here. It might take more than a few meditations for your future opportunity to unfold. It could happen in a week, a month, or even longer. The key is to keep doing it until it occurs. Once you're in a new state of being, broadcasting a new electromagnetic signature, now remember your future before it happens and begin to mentally rehearse what that future will be like by living in that future. Make it as real as possible, calling up those elevated emotions you listed so you can teach your body emotionally what that future feels like. Surrender your creation to a greater mind, planting a seed in the infinite field of possibilities, and just let it go. Finally, bless your body with a new mind. Bless your life. Bless your challenges. Bless your soul. Bless your past. And bless your future. Bless the divine in you and open your heart and give thanks for a new life before it's made manifest. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Get up from your meditation as though your future has already happened, and let the synchronicities and new possibilities find you. Donc c'était une méditation du livre de Joe Dispenza. Voilà, je vous remercie pour ce partage. Merci de m'avoir écouté. C'était un grand plaisir et à bientôt pour une prochaine méditation. Merci et belle journée.